This is Bill Gates. His net worth as of 2018 was $90 billion. This is Warren Buffett. His net worth, $84 billion. Jeff Bezos, 112. Michael Jordan, Sheryl Sandberg, Oprah Winfrey, J.K. Rowling, Elon Musk. If I told you that you can get away with stealing from these people, what would you steal? Their watches, cars, credit cards with PIN numbers, or, more abstractly, their power, or the undeniable sex appeal? How about stealing their minds? Their beautiful, cherry Coca-Cola fueled vaults filled with mental models, knowledge and experience. Why would you want to do that? Let's take a step back. If you're still watching, it means that you are bored. I was bored, so I made this video. Your parents were bored at one point as well, and here you are. You couldn't really choose your life's circumstances, and you had to learn basically everything from scratch. As you grew up, you started internalizing different behaviors, ways of analyzing and doing things. Some of that you did by yourself, but a lot comes from your parents, family and friends, school and the internet. Equipped with all that, you move through your life and you find yourself having to make more and more decisions, small and big ones, like what to watch on Netflix, what to wear, but also, should I buy a car? What should I do with my life? Should I go to university, or maybe I should start my own business? It is not only the increasing number of decisions that you face, you are also bombarded with more and more information, your school, social media, all sorts of news that you come across on the internet, climate change denialism, flat earth supporters, fake news. With the current progress of AI, it is getting easier to fabricate information and harder to tell what is true. It might be more important than ever to learn to think for yourself. It would be nice to have some kind of guidance to help you navigate all those decisions and all that information. After all, you just want to have a happy and successful life. Who is going to help you with that? Hopefully, your parents will. School? Can schools and the whole education system keep up with the changes? Unless you are lucky, you are mostly on your own, with whatever habits you have internalized so far, and that might not be enough. Maybe you can learn from those that seem to be doing pretty well. Maybe you can start incorporating their tactics. Can you really learn how to make better decisions? How to know the truth? How to think better? How to think like successful people? I believe you can. I believe it is the most important thing you can do for yourself, despite your life's circumstances. You may be poor, your school and teachers may suck, but let me tell you this, you can improve, you can think better. I'll even say that it is your right. You deserve access to the way the best minds on the planet operate. I believe it should be a basic human right, the right to escape mythology. So, you want to start stealing from Bill Gates? Let's figure out how.